kayo ba? Wait lang. Okay, ano? How to wait more. Goodie bag. Paano mag ano? Wait lang, be. Zero. Dual. Ayoko mag-dual. Cut up my record. Wala atang record, oh. Tara, ito. Okay, go. Yan. So yun, guys. If you have question, comment nyo lang. And also, I have 3 orange mollies, 2 all black mollies, 2 cookies and cream mollies, and 1 gray molly. And sa tank na ito, meron akong 3 snails. I don't know if you can see them. Nandun sa sa gilid. So you can't see them. Wait lang, I'll eat muna. Okay, I'm back. So, what's the question? Testing and mixing molly flavor. What? Ano molly flavor?